All right, well, I'm here with Billy and Jeff. In case you don't know, this is Billy and this is Jeff. How you guys doing today?
Very good,
Very
thank
good.
you.
Well,
Yep.
good. We're sitting here today because I know you guys had your basements done. You just bought a house and you had basement waterproofing specialists come out and do the work. And I just wanted to ask you a couple of quick questions, if that's okay.
Not a problem.
All right, great. So, why did you decide to have the basement done? What was going on?
Well,
Kids.
Yeah, we had to find a place that had a basement that had enough room to build a bedroom, and we figured to do it right, we had to put a waterproofing down and put an egress in.
Okay. So, can you tell me about that process? How did it go? Did you contact the company? Did they contact you? What happened?
Actually, I think I believe it
You
or not,
contacted?
I found a flyer or something like that with your name, and then contacted a couple other companies, but you guys were the first ones that came out. And we saw a house before this one, and met Vinny, and we just decided to get estimates and see what happens.
Okay. And so let's talk about, you made a decision. What made you make the decision to go with basement waterproofing specialists?
Vinny.
Well, thank you.
Suck up.
That's me, by the way.
No, actually, Vinny was great.
Yeah.
Did thoroughly explained everything. Was actually has a sense of humor, but understood us as a buyer, so it made the whole process a lot easier.
Made the process understandable.
Okay, great. So let's talk about the process now. So you made a decision to go basement waterproofing specialist. So they scheduled to get an install. Tell me about how the install went.
It was
Quick
flawless,
and seamless.
effortless.
Yeah.
Yeah, I mean, it was there half an hour early. Came in with a crew of 10, 12 people. Took less than a day, had everything done. Unfortunately, the egress window wasn't in, so we had to wait a week to get that. But overall, the process itself, and that wasn't basement waterproofing specialist's fault, but the process itself, I mean, it was amazing how fast they got it done.
Okay. Would you change anything about the process at all? I mean,
Now,
No.
okay.
Nope.
So how have you changed the basement now? Since the basement waterproofing is done, what'd you do to the basement?
Finished the basement, made a bedroom and a fitness center.
Okay. Has it rained since you had the basement waterproofing done?
Poured.
And
actually, we had just, what was it, a month ago? We had that massive,
Yeah, I mean, it's been raining a lot.
but it was a
since-
3 or 4 days straight.
Yeah.
Not a spot.
Not a drop.
Even in the brand new egress window, which was dug into a concrete wall, not a spot.
Okay, excellent. So if you had to sum up the whole experience, Billy, in one word, how would you describe the experience?
Flawless.
Okay. And Jeff?
Effortless.
Okay. And would you recommend basement waterproofing specialist to anybody considering having their basement done?
Absolutely.
Okay, great. Well, again, we thank you very much for choosing basement waterproofing specialist to handle your basement. We're very glad that you enjoyed the experience. If you ever have any concerns or questions, don't hesitate to give us a call, okay?
Sounds good.
Thank you.
All right, great. Thank you.